Hurricane season starts June 1st and runs through November 30th this year. You might not think that hurricanes affect us here in Fairfax County, but these strong tropical storms can cause severe damage, even hundreds of miles inland. Rains can also cause severe flooding. 1 foot of water can move a car off the road, so be prepared to listen to weather reports and get where you need to be before the weather gets bad this hurricane season. Here are a few ways you can get ready for hurricane season and even other emergencies. Make sure you review your family's emergency plan. Visit www.readynova.org to make your family's emergency plan if you don't have one. And make sure you're signed up for Fairfax Alerts, the county's official emergency alerting system. Visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts. Check the supplies in your emergency kit at home, at work, and in your vehicle. If you don't have an emergency kit, now's the time to stock up and save. Virginia is hosting the Hurricane Sales Tax Holiday, May 25th through 31st. Supplies including batteries, flashlights, first aid kits, weather radios, and more are all tax-free. Visit www.readyvirginia.gov to learn more about the tax holiday and be ready to save big bucks on preparing your home, business, and family for any emergency.